I'm Mauro Epis, and today we will execute the ordinary group cleaning on MaraX. This procedure is the same for all the Pro line coffee machines. The product to be used is the detergent powder PLA9201. If you have MaraX, you will find your first cleaning kit into the equipment box. Insert the blind filter into the filter holder. Insert 1 dose of detergent into the blind filter. Hook the filter holder into the brewing group. The drip tray must be empty. Start the delivery and dispense water for 10 seconds. Stop the delivery and wait for 10 seconds. Repeat these steps 10 times. Start the delivery and dispense water for 10 seconds. Stop the delivery and wait for 10 seconds. Remove the filter holder and start the delivery. Use the water coming from the group to rinse the filter holder. Hook the filter holder into the brewing group and dispense again 5 times. without detergent powder. Dispense water for 10 seconds. Stop the delivery and wait for 10 seconds. Remove the filter holder and take out the blind filter. Now I will show you the cleaning procedure for the filter holder and the filters. Insert the filter holder and the filters in a container. Use 2 bags of detergent. Insert in the container the hot water, but pay attention at the handle of the filter holder. Do not immerse it with hot water the handle of the filter holder. And now wait for 15 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove the water, rinse the filter holder and the filter from the water tap. Thank you for watching.